I'm Susan, and today we're participating in Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 40, and our prompts for this week is something that has a plug. I've got this television, a piece of pattern paper. I've got these two pieces, something that represents you. I've got two images, and I'm always a kid at heart, and I love peanut butter and jelly. My oldest son, he tackles my fix for peanut butter and jelly because he makes the best peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And my youngest son takes care of my fix for cheese quesadillas because he makes the best cheese quesadillas. And I've also got this one. I wished I looked as cute as she does, but my hair is always in a ponytail. I've got a pen because I journal, I draw, whatever I do, I'm always got something in my hand. So this is another image that represents me. A photograph. This is my grandmother way back in the day. I don't know what it was about, even through the 70s and such, where you took a picture in front of your car. And I guess because you didn't have so many back then. Text in a foreign alphabet. I'm not sure what this is, but we've got it. I hope it's not saying any bad words because I wouldn't know it. And the bonus is stenciling, and I've got this cute little jack-o'-lantern that my friend Maggie gave me. I won her, she had a giveaway, and I won, and this was in that. So when it said stenciling, I looked over, and there it was laying on my desk. So I'll use that. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right. Well, now, let's see. I'm going to lay some of this stuff down. I think I'm just going to kind of just put it around sporadically. And I will just, I'll tuck that underneath. So I like that. And I'm going to go ahead and get that down, because that's basically just my background anyway. We have had some beautiful weather this week. It says it's supposed to be hot again. I mean, it's warm during the days, but it has been not humid, and it's been really nice. So I'm hoping that's the way it's going to be. It's not humid. But it's been like in the, at night, it gets down to like 60. And in the day, I don't know how high it gets in the day, but it is really pleasant. In fact, it feels better outside than it does in the house. We don't have, we rent, and we don't have screens on our windows, so we can't open the windows because of the cats. And I miss having that fresh air come through. All right. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stencil it, because part of it will probably end up getting covered up. So I'm just going to use my dauber and hope for the best. Yeah, not a lot that's going on. My son will be preaching again next Sunday, not this coming. I'm filming this on Saturday, so he won't be preaching tomorrow, which would be the day this should come out. But he'll be preaching next Sunday. I've got some good kids. I'm very blessed and thankful. Cute. We'll do better with a brush, I know, but I like that. And I do have a, make it smaller, just to get a little bit of Maybe I do need the wider end. Just to give my jack-o'-lantern a little bit of color. Doesn't have to be perfect. Sorry, I just do better when I'm from the side. Since fall is here, I don't do Halloween, but I do like some of them so cute. All right, I like that. Okay, so now let's see what we got. I've got her. Let me go ahead and punch out that hole there. There we go. I've already inked that up, as you probably can tell. Okay, we got that. My grandmother, I think I'm just going to kind of tilt that. I'll have her peeping out with her sandwich. And let's see, scoot that up as much as I can. And we have got our TV. I like that. So let me get it down. I love these retro images. And that's me too, to be honest with you. You know, I was born in '66. And my grandmother's house had the colors and the looks of the 50s. Okay. And yes, this is the real photo. But I've decided my sons really don't. They're not the type that sit down and look at the old pictures like I did. I mean, they'll look at their old pictures. But as for me, they don't. My boys were real young when my mom and dad and my grandmother passed away. My youngest son, he wasn't even a year old when my mom passed away. And my dad passed away a year later. So, there's no telling where they'll end up once I'm gone. So, I'm going to use them. They have a better chance of survival in a journal, I think. Okay. And now, the TV. That big old TV. Where did I want it? I think I like it. I do think I like it better. It's just too top heavy. But I do think I want to say it. If I can find it. may have already used it. I'll put this down, limited edition. We're all limited edition. All right. Make sure I have everything, and then I can decide what else I want to do. Okay, I have got, I do know I want some splatters, so let me get my, so we have got something with a plug, a piece of patterned paper, which I've got these, something that represents you, I've got that, a photograph, I've got that, text in a foreign language, and stenciling. So I like those. I do think that I want to use my Stabilo around my girls. I don't think I'll use the water because I don't want to take a chance on that photograph getting messed up. Kind of smear it with my finger a little bit. I had to do some surgery on her finger. I accidentally cut off one of her fingers. Oh, I meant to push that all the way up. Oh well, that was the way it was in the book. It was cut off. I was going to try to get it all the way up to the edge, but oh well. I wish I was as cute as these little girls. All right. And now for the splatters. Although whether I should splatter over that photograph, I don't know. All right. Well, I am going to call this one done. We have got everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025CWP40 to see what everyone has done. It's hard to believe there's only 12 more to go, I believe. So y'all take care. And until next time, bye y'all.